everyone, today we're going to be doing an updo, and I have started by just putting her hair into a standard ponytail, and then I'm going to grab a small section on the side of that. I'm going to take this hair and split it in half and tie it into a half of a knot. And you want to make sure you're tying these knots the same way every time. So the way I'm doing it, I'm taking the strand on the left, I'm bringing it under the strand on the right, bringing it up through the hole. And then I'm not going to pull this super tight. I'm leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in this area. And then I'm going to combine these strands into one. Now I'm going to take another strand from this ponytail, and I'm going to tie this the same way. So I'm bringing the strand that I just brought in underneath and then through the hole. And again, I'm going to pull it, but not super tight. And then combine that into one strand. So you're just going to continue with this until you run out of hair in the ponytail. You want to make sure that you're taking about the same size of section every time. After you get it to the point where you've brought in all of the hair from the ponytail, you're going to be left with these ends here. And there's a couple of different ways you could finish this. The first way is you could flip this up kind of inside out and form a bun like that, and then just tuck the ends underneath there. We are going to take this and just pull it around, kind of forming it into a bun this way. And then I'm going to wrap these ends underneath there. So I'm just going to twist them up a little bit and then wrap them right inside that bun so that they're hidden. After I have them all tucked inside there, I'm just going to take these knots and kind of spread them out and place them where I want them, and then I'm just going to tuck everything in with some bobby pins. Finished bun. You can see the little loops coming over the top, and then in the center it kind of looks like a star shape, and it's more prominent if you take smaller strands of hair. Okay, we wanted to show what this bun ends up looking like if you do it the other way, so I went ahead and undid it to this point. So the other way we're going to do this is just to flip it up over that ponytail holder so that it's inside out. And then again, I'm just going to twist these ends up and wrap them inside those knots. And then I'm just going to take this bun and kind of spread it out around. And then I'll pin that in place the same way I did the other bun.